Hi there. So my name is Midwife Sally. Thank you for your question. Your question is, so when you're bleeding and stop, can you die? Explain for me, guys. I don't know anything. Of course, bleeding should never be continuous. Any form of bleeding, whether you just had a family planning method and you are bleeding continuously, the bleeding is not stopping. Please, it is not normal. Or you finish giving birth and the bleeding is continuous, it is not reducing, changing color, and then gradually stopping. You are in your 2 months, 3 months, you are still bleeding after birth. It is not normal. Okay, some people, maybe the person had an abortion. It could be normal abortion, or the person forced abortion, like the person did it by herself, and you realize that you are bleeding. Please and please go to the hospital. There's treatment. Don't be shy. Don't think people will judge you because you had an abortion or because it is happening to you. Yes, in my practice, I've seen young girls bleed, trying to cause an abortion and bleeding inside because they are scared to talk about it. They end up coming to the hospital. I've seen somebody who has come with HB of 1. HB of 1, that means the blood is 1. You're supposed to have 13 and she has 1. She was almost gone. Okay, I've seen a mother who had like 4 or 5 children, kept quiet about an abortion. She was bleeding, and by the time she realized, by the time she came, it was too late. Women who have fibroid too sometimes bleed. Some of them, please don't hide it. Don't keep it to yourself. Don't say you are taking herbs or you are trying to force it to dissolve on its own. It has caused a lot of women lose their lives. No form of bleeding, sometimes menopausal bleeding. Why? Because in the blood that we have contains something we call hemoglobin. This hemoglobin also contains it also carries the air that we breathe, and you without air you can do nothing. So once you are losing your blood, you are losing your life. Okay, so please, as you hear me speak right now, if you are bleeding or you know anybody who is bleeding, please share the video. Let's save lives, because a lot of people, this question she's asking, a lot of women are bleeding in one way or the other and are quiet on it, trying other things. I mean, being a nurse for about 16 years, I have seen a lot, and a lot of women are losing their lives because of bleeding. Fibroid, postmenopausal bleeding, after birth, abortions, so many causes. Please, it is not normal. Thank you. My name is Midwife Sally. Help by sharing it and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.